Hi, I'm Jade and I present the lung sound. This is the vesicular sound. It is soft, blowing or rustling sounds, normally heard throughout most of the lung field. The coarse crackle sound, low pitch and moist sounding, like pouring water out of a bottle or ripping open Velcro. This lung sound is often a sign of adult respiratory distress syndrome, early congestive heart failure, asthma, and pulmonary edema. This is the fine crackle sound. It is heard with pulmonary edema, pulmonary fibrosis, and pneumonia. They are predominantly inspiratory. The wheezing sound. This high-pitched whistling noise can happen when you are breathing in or out. It's usually a sign that something is making your airways narrow or keeping air from flowing through them. Two of these most common causes of wheezing are lung diseases called chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD and asthma. The pleural friction rub sound. It is a raspy breathing sound caused by inflammation of the tissues around our lungs. This sound is usually grunting or creaky. It's also been compared to the sound of walking on fresh snow. The percussion sounds of the lungs. The flat sound, or sometimes it has been called extremely dull sounds. It is normally heard over solid areas such as bones. The dull sound. It is normally heard over dense areas such as the heart or liver. Dullness replaces resonance when fluid or solid tissue replaces air-containing lung tissues. Such occurs with pneumonia, pleural effusion, or tumors. The resonant sound. These sounds are low-pitched, hollow sounds heard over normal lung tissues. The tympanic sound. These sounds are hollow, high, and drum-like sounds. Tympani is normally heard over the stomach, but it is not normal chest sound. Tympani sounds heard over the chest indicate excessive air in the chest, such as may occur with pneumothorax. Thank you!